Okay, so we're going to do another one with all those steps. It gets easier, I promise. So you're going to take your divisor, which is right there. You're going to set that equal to 0. So x minus 2 equals 0. I'm going to add 2 on both sides and get x is 2. Now I'm going to write my coefficients. My coefficients, make sure it's in descending order, 3, 2, 1 number. Okay, so I have a 3, a negative 4, there's a 1 here, and negative 16. I'm going to go ahead and draw my lines. I'm going to draw my half box. Inside that half box is this 2 that we got from right here that goes in there. Okay, don't forget, bring the first number down, and then you start with your fun multiplying. So 2 times 3 is a 6. So now I'm going to add negative 4 plus 6 is going to give me, I'm trying to figure out what color I'm going to use. I guess we'll just stay with orange. Negative 4 plus 6 is going to give me a 2. Then I'm going to start again. 2 times this 2 is a 4. Then I'm going to add. 1 plus 4 is 5. Bring it down. Then you start again. 2 times 5 is 10. Then you're going to add. Negative 16 plus 10 is a negative 6. Okay? So remember, this right here is your remainder. And I think there's a spot for it. To do my quotient, I started this problem with an x to the third. So if I started with an x to the third, I did it again. If I started this problem with an x to the third, if I go 1 down, I'm going to rewrite it starting it with an x squared. So just put those in here, and if you're missing any signs, put your signs in. So when I put that in, that would be a 3x squared. Go down. This one's the plain x. This one's the plain number. If there's not a sign there, they're positives. They're plus. So go ahead and put that. So then I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to write my quotient, which is a 3x squared plus a 2x plus a 5. Now, I want to show you one other way some people write the remainder. So I'm going to go back to this original example. The other way is they take that 10 and then they put it over the original divisor, which was that x minus 5. So if I do that down here, the other way is to take that negative 6, and then underneath it, you put the original divisor, which was that x minus 2. All right, let's do the next one. All right, start again. You do take this divisor, and you're going to set it equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 4 and get x equals a negative 4. Now I'm going to write my coefficients. So I have it in descending order, so I'm good. 5, 6, negative 7, 8. Draw your lines. Okay, don't forget, you take this negative 4 that we got right here, and that goes in this half box. Don't forget to bring the first number down. Now you're going to multiply. Negative 4 times 5 is a negative 20. Now you're going to add. 6 plus a negative 20 is a negative 14. Start again. Negative 4 times negative 14 is a positive 56. Now you're going to add. Negative 7 plus 56 is 49. Start again. Negative 4 times 49, might need your calculator. It's a negative 196. Then you're going to add. 8 plus a negative 196 is a negative 188. I'm going to put my remainder in first. Remember, this box right here is always your remainder, okay? So my remainder is a negative 188. The other way that you will see some people write it is to take that negative 188 and then you put your divisor underneath it, the original, which was this x plus 4. Okay, now we've got to write our quotient. So on this problem, we started with x to the third. So if I start with x to the third and I need to go down 1, I'm going to start my problem, my quotient, with x squared. So here I go. I'm going to put the x squared here. I'm going to put the x here, and that's the regular number. Make sure you have signs in between them. This one already had a sign. This one doesn't, so put a plus. So my quotient of this problem is 5x squared minus 14x plus 49.